Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Jeep Wrangler with cardboard. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need sturdy cardboard, a sharp utility knife, and a reliable ruler for precise cuts. Don't forget hot glue for strong bonds, a pencil for marking, and some sandpaper for smoothing edges. Having a simple Jeep Wrangler template printed out will also be incredibly helpful as a guide. Now, let's move on to cutting and shaping the main body. Using your template, carefully trace and cut out the large pieces of cardboard. Always use your ruler to achieve perfectly straight lines and sharp, precise angles. Remember to score the cardboard lightly before folding to create those crisp, clean bends that define the classic Jeep silhouette. With your pieces cut, it's time to assemble the structure. Apply hot glue to securely join the main body panels, ensuring a strong and stable base. Next, carefully attach the windshield, hood, and side panels, bringing your Jeep to life. Don't forget to add key details such as the distinctive grille, sturdy bumpers, and the prominent wheel wells. For the final touches, let's add the wheels and smaller details. Cut out 4 circular cardboard pieces for the wheels and attach them with small cardboard axles. Use even smaller pieces to craft realistic lights and side mirrors. Finally, personalize your cardboard Jeep Wrangler by painting it your favorite color or adding unique decorative elements to make it truly yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.